Meanwhile, from the NBA, now let's head to the PBA. In the Philippine Cup semis, the San Miguel Beermen leveled their series against Barangay Ginebra San Miguel at 2 games apiece. Series gets more interesting now as the Beermen with a blowout win in Game 4, 107-82. SMB bucked the second quarter exit of forward Andreas Cahilig, who hurt his knee after an accidental collision with Ginebra's Jeremiah Gray. The Beermen took over in the third period with Junmar Fajardo, CJ Perez, and Jericho Cruz sparking a 17-0 run. Fajardo was named player of the game, finishing with 12 points, a whopping 19 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. Game 5 of this best-of-7 series will take place on Friday, 7 p.m. when it shifts back to the Big Dome, the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Here's San Miguel head coach Leo Austria along with the Kraken after San Miguel's huge performance.
It's very obvious that the energy of the team is really high. We're able to match up their energy, and a lot of perimeter shooting namin went in, unlike before. Imagine today is 50% from the 3-point area. Last time is 3 out of 28. I think that's 10%. And I think the defense is one thing na binigyan namin ng pansin dahil makikita nyo naman, they issued only 18 assists. A quite high pa rin for a regular team, but they're averaging 25 assists. That means our defense is working. And I can see it from the players from the start, from the dugout. Nakita ko yung kanilang body language. And talagang this team will really play tonight. And it's very evident kanina, different energy and concentration yung nangyari kanina.
Kailangan namin yun nga, ipanalo yung game na to kasi hirap pag down 3-1. So, ayun, laging nire-remind ni coach na yun nga, kailangan namin itaas yung intensity, and then kailangan namin i-execute yung mga plays namin. And then, yun yung ginawa namin tonight.